Diagwit YouTube, conas tatu. This is going to be an update for Shave and Dye. The packs that I ordered in March haven't arrived, but I had a phone call from them yesterday to say that they were going to reissue the packs as I ordered them. So they're in the post today. Woohoo! Yes! So that's the update. We should have our t-shirts and our posters and our sponsorship cards and everything else by, I don't know, maybe, what day is today? Tuesday. Probably by Friday or Saturday. So that's looking forward to that. It means we can actually kind of do everything we were supposed to be doing 3 or 4 weeks ago. With that said, there are 2 things that I'm interested in doing to help me raise money. I may wax certain parts of my body, probably my legs, as they're the hairiest part next to my head, and then I might do this. And yeah, depends on how much money I raise, really. So get out there and get shaking your loose change and put it into my charity page. All the links for that are down below. There's one from my page and there's one from my team's page. So that's that. I just wanted to make that little update for you. Also stay tuned for a couple of more videos that I'm doing. One in particular is going to be really big because it's around what this month is for. And yeah, that's about it. Gurf míle maith agat, agus slán go fóill.